Hello बच्चों this session is continuation of the part 1 video. Those who completed part 1 they can continue with this video, else the link is given in the description. First complete part 1, then you continue with this video. So in this session we will continue with most important 2 marks questions. Now here given that the two circles are orthogonal to each other and we need to find the value of k. Suppose bachcho, let make a note of this. If you have two circles, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, the other one x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash plus c dash equal to 0. If these two circles are orthogonal, so we have a condition like 2g dash plus 2ff dash equal to c plus c dash. When two circles are orthogonal to each other, we can use this condition 2g dash plus 2ff dash equal to c plus c dash. So I'll be using this condition to get the value of k in this question. Now our given circles are, our equation of circles are, the first circle is x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0. Now let me compare this with general form of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now the value of 2g is minus 5, 2g equal to minus 5. So g will be minus 5 by 2. Now the value of 2f is 4. So 2f equal to 4, f equal to 4 by 2, 1 za, 2 za, f, the value of f is 2. Now let us go for constant. The c constant c equal to here minus 12. So c equal to minus 12. This is about your circle 1. Now let us go for second circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. Now let me compare this with x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash equal to 0. Now look at this, 2g dash is nothing but 2 here, 2g dash equal to 2, so g dash equal to 2 by 2, 1 the 1 the, g dash equal to 1. Now let us compare 2f dash equal to here 4, so f dash equal to 4 by 2, f dash equal to 1 the 2 the 2, now c dash equal to k. Now given two circles are orthogonal, so given the circles are orthogonal, so therefore we can use the condition 2g dash plus 2f dash equal to c plus c dash. Now let me substitute the values. 2 into the value of g is minus 5 by 2 into g dash is 1 plus 2 into f value is 2 here into f dash is 2 equal to the value of c is a minus 12 plus c dash is k. Now bachcho, let me simplify. So you can cancel plus 2 and 2. So 5 into 1 is minus 5 there, minus 5, 2 into 2 is 8 equal to minus 12 plus k. So here we'll get 3 equal to minus 12 plus k. Okay, minus 12 is shifted to LHS. So 3 plus 12 equal to k. Therefore the value of k is 15. Bacho, let me do one more sum similar to the previous question. So here two circles, x square plus y square plus 4x plus 8 equal to 0, x square plus y square minus 16y plus k equal to 0 are given, and we need, given that they are orthogonal to each other, and we need the value of k. So equation of given circles are here. Equation of circles are, the first circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 8 equal to 0. The second circle is x square plus y square minus 16y plus k equal to 0. Let us compare these two circles with the general form. The general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now if I compare, look at this, here the value of 2g is here 4. The value of 2g equal to 4. The g will be 4 by 2, 2 1 the 2 2 the value of g is 2. Now there is no y term here. Look at this equation. There is no y term. So my f will be 0. Now the value of c is here, the constant 8. Okay. Now let's go for second equation. So this is compared to g dash equal to minus. Now, बच्चों यहाँ पे listen, yeah, in this equation we don't have x term, so the value of g will be 0. Here there is no y term, so y term means 2f equal to 0, so f will be 0. Here there is no x term, g will be 0, and 2f equal to here minus 16, f equal to minus 16 by 2, 1 the 8 the, f equal to minus 8, and the c dash equal to g dash f dash, c dash equal to k. Okay now so given the circles are orthogonal to each other, therefore we can use the condition 2 g dash plus 2 f dash equal to c plus c dash. Let me put the values. 2 into g is here 2 into g dash is 0 plus 2 into the value of f is here 0 into f dash is minus 8 equal to c value is 8 here and c dash is k. Okay now, so here you get 0 and 0, so 0 equal to 8 plus k. Now minus 8 is shifted this side, so k value equal to minus 8. Bachcho, we know that general form of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0. So this is a general form of circle. Now suppose in the question it is given that the equation of circle is like this. Okay, now the given equation should be converted as this equation. So for that we have to take 2 common. So I'll take 2 common. So I'll get x square plus y square. If I take 2 common, I'll get 5x here. If I take 2 common here, I'll get 3x, 3y minus 6 equals 0. Now 2 is shifted there. You get anyhow, you get x square plus y square minus 5x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. So here I'll be using this concept to solve this sum. So here in this question is given that the second circle is 4x square. The second circle is 4x square plus 4y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 9 equals 0. Now this equation has to be expressed as a general form. So for that let me take 4 common. So x square plus y square plus 8x by 4 will get plus 12y by 4 minus 9 by 4 equals 0. The 4 is shifted there. So we'll get x square plus y square plus 1 the 2 the. We'll get 2x plus 3y minus 9 by 4 equals 0. Okay, now let me take this as circle f dash and s equal to, we'll take it as x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 7 equals 0. So my the first circle is s and the second circle is s dash. Now we need the radical axis. So the radical axis of 2 circles is, we already know the formula, s minus s dash equals 0. The value of s is this. So let me take x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 7 minus, let me take the second circle, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 9 by 4 equals 0. So let me open the bracket. So x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 7 plus into minus x square minus y square minus 2x minus 3y minus into minus plus 9 by 4 equals 0. Okay, so we can cancel x square and x square, y square and y square. Now let us go for like terms. Plus 4x minus 2x is plus 2x, 6y plus 6y minus 3y is plus 3y, and the constant here it is minus 7, here it is minus 7, here it is plus 9 by 4 equals 0. Now let us go for LCM. My LCM is 4 here, so here nothing means 1 I can take. So into 4 we get 8x plus into 4 into 4 12y into 4 minus 28 plus 9 equals 0. The 4 is shifted that side. We get 8x plus 12y minus 28 plus 9 is minus 19. So minus 19 equals 0. Therefore, our equation of radical axis is 8x plus 12y minus 19 equal to 0. Bacho, in this question it is given that length of the tangent from 2, 5 to the circle is root 37. We need to find the value of k. Bacho, this is one of the important questions for your boards. Practice well this sum to get 2 marks. Okay na? So as per the question, equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k equals 0. Let me compare this with general form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Then we'll get 2g equal to minus 5, 2g equal to minus 5, g equal to minus 5 by 2. Next, 2f equal to 4, 2f equal to 4, f equal to 4 by 2, 1 the 2 the, f equal to 2. The value of c will be k. And our point is x1 is given as 2, 5. Okay. Now as per the question, length of the tangent is given as root 74, given root 37, sorry. So given length of the tangent equal to root 37. Now already we know that length of the tangent can be found by using the formula root s11 equal to root 37. Now we'll take out the square roots on both sides. So here we have s11 equal to 37. Now how to find s11? The formula is s1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 37. Let me put the values. Here x1 nothing but 2 here. So in the place of x1, let me take 2 square. y1 nothing but 5 here. The 5 square plus 2 into g is minus 5 by 2 into x1 is 2. Next 2fy11, 2fy1. So 2 into f is 2 into y1 is 5 plus the value of c is here k equal to 37. Okay now 2 square is 4, 5 square is 5 into 5, 25. Next, we can cancel these 2 and 2. So here plus into minus, 5 into 2, 10. Next, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20 plus k equal to 37. So let me simplify. So here you get 25, 4, 20. So you get 49. So 49 minus 10 plus k equal to 37. Okay now 49 minus 10 is 39. 39 plus k equal to 37. We need the value of k. So k equal to 37. This is shifted that side. So minus 39. The k value is minus 2. So therefore the value of k is minus 2. Bacho, this sum is similar to the previous question. Now here the given circle is, here our circle is x square plus y square plus 2ky equal 0. Bacho, observe carefully, there is no x term and constant in the given circle. Okay, observe carefully. So let us compare this with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0. Now as there is no x term, our g will be 0. Now here the 2f is compared with 2k. So 2f equal to 2k, the f equal to 2k by 2, cancel, f will be k. And the constant, there is no constant, even the constant also 0. Okay now, our point x1 is given like 5, 4. So x1 is 5, y1 is 4. Now as per the question, it is given that length of the tangent equal to 1 is given 1. So how to find length of the tangent? We use formula s11 equal to 1. Now s11 nothing but x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 1. So let me put the values. See, Here x1 nothing but 5. So let me take 5 square plus y1 nothing but 4 square plus 2 into g0 here into x1 5 plus 2 into f nothing but k here into y1 is 4 plus even c also 0. Let me take 0 equal to 1. Let me simplify. So 5 square is 25. So root of 25 plus 4 square is 16. Then 0 and something 0. This whole becomes 0. Next 2 4 the 8. We'll get plus 8k equal to 1. So we'll get here 25. 25 16 is 41. So 41 plus 8k equal to 1. So let us eliminate the square root. So for that, let me take squaring on both sides. So root of 41 plus 8k whole square equal to 1 square. And we can cancel square and root. So here we'll get 41 plus 8k equal to 1. 8k equal to 1. This is shifted to that side. So minus 41. 8k equal to minus 40. The k equal to minus 40 by 8. 8 ones are 8 5s are. Therefore, the value of k is minus 5. Bachcho, exam point of view, this question is very important. Practice well this question to score 2 marks. Okay now. Now in this question it is given that 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k are conjugate points with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 35 equals 0. We need to find the value of k. Now, bachcho, if x1 y1 and x2 y2 are conjugate points with respect to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2 of y plus c equals 0, then I can use the condition s12 equals 0. If these two points are conjugate with this circle, then I can say s12 equal to 0. So how to write s12? x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equals 0. So this is what your s12. Okay now. So I'll be using this formula to get the value of k in this question. Now given points are 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k. Here we have 2 points 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k. Let me take the first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2. Now equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 35 equals 0. Now let me compare this circle with the general form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Now when I compare, we'll get 2g equal to 0. As there is no x term, I can say 2g equal to 0. The value of g will be 0. And there is no y term in our circle. So again 2f will be equal to 0. F equal to 0. The value of c is here constant minus 35. Okay now. Now given 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k are conjugate with respect to the circle s equals 0, then required condition is s12 equal to 0. Okay now. Now already we know how to write s12. So it is nothing but x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. Now x1, here my x1 is 1 into x2 into 2, x2 is 2 plus y1 is 3 into y2 is k plus the value of g is 0. So this whole together will be 0 and pura this term will become 0 plus the value of c is minus 31. Let me take minus 31 equal to 0. Again I repeat, the value of g is 0. 0 and something 0. So this pura term becomes 0. The value of f is 0. So f into something 0. So this whole term becomes 0. Minus 35 equals 0. Let me simplify. 1 into 2, 2 plus 3 into k, 3k minus 35 equal to 0. Now 3k, I'll get minus 33 equal to 0. 3k equal to plus 33. So k equal to 33 by 3. 3 ones are 3 11s are. The value of k is 11. Bacho, this question is similar to the previous question. In this question, it is given that 4, 2 and k, minus 3 are conjugate points with respect to the circle, and we need to find the value of k. Here, our given points are 4, 2 and k, minus 3. So let me take the first point as x1, y1, second point as x2, y2, and the equation of circle is, equation of the given circle is x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 equal 0. Let me compare this with general form of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0. Now you'll get 2g equal to minus 5 here, 2g equal to minus 5, g equal to minus 5 by 2. So here 2f equal to 8, 2f equal to 8, f equal to 8 by 2, 1 the 4 the, f equal to 4 I'll get. If the constant is nothing but 6. So as per the question, given that 4, 2 and k, minus 3 are conjugate with respect to the circle s equals 0, then the required condition will be, the required condition is S12 equal to 0. When two points are conjugate with respect to the circle, then S12 equal to 0. So S12 nothing but x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. Okay, now let me put the values. X1, the value of x1 is here 4 into x2 is k plus y1 is 2 into minus 3 plus g, the value of g is here minus 5 by 2. So let me take minus 5 by 2 here. I'll take minus 5 by 2 into x1 is here 4 plus k, next plus the value of f is 4 into y1 is 2 y2 is 3, so minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. Now let me simplify. Here I'll get 4k minus 6 minus 5 by 2 into 4 is minus 5 by 2 into 4 is 2 1 the 2 2 the, I'll get minus 10 there. Okay, now so minus 5 by 2 into k is, I get minus 5k by 2. So what I'm doing here, I'll multiply these two by first. Minus 5 by 2 into 4 is minus 10. Now minus 3 plus minus 5 by 2 into k is minus 5k by 2. Now here 4, you'll get minus 1 there. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, now so 4k, so you'll get minus 16 there, minus 5k by 2, here I'll get plus 2 equal to 0. So let me take like all k terms in LHS, 4k minus 5k by 2 equal to, shifting everything that side, so we'll get 16 minus 2. Okay, now so let me take LCM here. Here LCM value is 2 here, into 2 into 2, 8k minus 5k equal to 14. 8k minus 5k is 3k equal to, you'll get 14 into 2, so 3k equal to, I'll get 28, k equal to 28 by 3. Therefore the value of k is 28 by 3. Bachcho, in this question we need the equation of the polar. Bachcho, make a note. So equation of the polar of the point x1 y1 to the circle s equals 0 can be found by using the formula s1 equal to 0. Okay, so we can use the formula S1 equal to 0 to find the equation of polar. So how to write S1 equal to 0? Xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Now this formula is used to find the polar of the circle. Okay, now let me use this formula to get the polar in this question. The first, so our equation of the given circle is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. Now, bachcho, let me compare this with general form of the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So when I compare, the value of 2g is minus 10. So 2g equal to minus 10, g equal to minus 10 by 2. So 1 the 5 the g equal, I'll get minus 5. So here 2f equal to minus 10 again, 2f equal to minus 10, f equal to minus 10 by 2, 2 1 the 2 5 the, f equal to minus 5. The value of c is 25. Now we need the equation of polar. So equation of the polar of which point? 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the circle s equals 0 is s1 equals 0. S1 equals 0 is the formula to get the polar. Now to write S1 equals 0, xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals 0. So we have g value, f value and x1, y1 values. Let me put all the values in the formula. The x into x1 is 1 plus y as it is into y1. The y1 is minus 2. Now g value is here minus 5. Let me take minus 5 into x as it is. The value of x1 is 1. So I'll get plus 1. Now the value of f is minus 5. So minus 5 into y as it is. y1 is nothing but minus 2. Let me take minus 2 plus c is nothing but here 25 equal to 0. So x into 1 is x, plus into minus minus, y into 2 is 2y. Now minus into plus minus 5 into x, 5x, minus into plus minus 5 into 1, 5. Next, minus into plus minus 5 into y, 5y, minus into minus plus 5 into 2, 10, plus 25 equal to 0. So let me write in order. The first x minus 5x minus 4x minus 2y minus 5y is minus 7y. Minus 7y. Now, next 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 minus 5 is plus 30 equal to 0. So let us take minus common. So we'll get minus 4 plus 4x plus 7y minus 30 equal to 0. So therefore, equation of the polar is 4x plus 7y minus 30 equal to 0. Bachcho, in this question, we need to find the length of the tangent from a point 1 comma 2 to the circle. Okay, now, Bachcho, make a note of this. In this question, I'll be using some formulas. The first formula is length of the tangent from a point P x1, y1 to the given circle, to the circle s equals 0 is. So I'll use root of s11 to get the length of the tangent. So we will use root of s11 to get the length of the tangent from a given point to the circle. Okay, now the given circle, we will take it as s equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0. This is what the general circle. Now if I want s11, the s11 can be written as s1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal 0. So if s equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0, then the s11, the notation, this we call the notation. S11 nothing but x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equals 0. Now I'll be using this formula here to get the length of the tangent. Okay, now Now here in this question, the equation of circle is, here given equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 1 equals 0. So let me compare this with general form of the circle. General form of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. So what I'm doing, I'm comparing our equation with the general form of the circle. When I compare, so we'll get 2g equal to 4. 2g equal to 4. The value of g will be 4 by 2. 1 the 2 the value of g is 2. So next, let us compare 2f with 6. That means we'll get 2f equal to 6. F equal to 6 by 2. 1 the 3 the value of f is 3. Now the other constant c equal to 1. Okay now, right. So what the given point is x1, y1 is nothing but here 1, 2. So let me take x1 1, y1 2. Now let us use the formula. Here my formula is length of the tangent from which point? From 1, 2 to s equals 0 is, the formula says root of s11. So how to find root of s11? Root of s11. S11 nothing but the formula is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c. Okay. Now let me put the values. Root of s1 square, x nothing but here 1. So let me take 1 square plus y square is 2 square plus 2 into the value of g we got here 2 into the value of x1 is 1. So 2g x1 means 2 into 1 plus next to 2f y1, 2 into f is nothing but here 3 into the value of y1 is here 2 plus the value of c is 1. So let me simplify. Equal to root of 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 4, 4 into 1 is 4 plus 2 into 3 6 to the 12 plus 1. Let me simplify. So 4 plus 4 8, 20, 22. So therefore length of the tangent equal to root 22 units.